Hey guys, it's your boy CJ Paul Phillips, and I'm back with another banger today. I'm gonna be playing with my slime right over here. So I had other slime. It was
Hold on. Why my lips so crusty? Jesus, these things look black. I'm just playing. They don't look black, but them crusty. But they
this
crusty.
was a week ago. And it's stretchy. Guys, this is mine. I made mine. Look at my sister's. Her name's, I ain't gonna tell y'all her name. But subscribe if y'all wanna know her name. It's like,
Man, she gonna slap me. She gonna slap the cheese out of me. She gonna slap cheese out of me if she see this.
Basic cover. I wanted mine to be like that, but then I couldn't wait. Like y'all know when y'all like make slime, and then y'all just wanna play with it already. Like that day when y'all make it. So like I couldn't wait. And my sister, she knows a lot about slime. Okay, so I'm gonna try and make a big bubble. Oh, is the comments on? Comment down below if y'all know what my sister's name is. It starts with a C. Move that out the way. If you want to make a bubble, you gotta push the slime down with your hand. See, look, like this. Okay, there we go. Okay, now what you want to do? Well, if y'all already know how to do it. So that's a warm up. I never did a bubble. A bubble was like a big bubble. So, like I said, I'm gonna try. Like, yeah, look. That was not supposed to happen. Ooh. It got bacon bits in it. Ooh. That wasn't no bacon bits. Yeah, so guys, that my mom that called me real quick. So I had to you gotta do this. Look, see, I'm gonna pat it down, do some poke it with my fingers. Y'all hear that? It sound like fart, mate. It sound like fart. It sound like somebody farted. Like, alright. Oh, make sure you give the video a like and comment down below what was your favorite part of this video. And hit that bell so you don't miss out on no new videos. And subscribe. And get this video to 100 likes. I don't care how many likes y'all get it to. Please like. Please. And guys, if y'all subscribe and if y'all give me to 20 subscribers, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna post me doing a slam dunk. It's not gonna be like, just stay tuned for it. But it's finna get lit. Y'all, let me put a little bit more detergent in it to make it a little bit more stretchy, because it's retarded.
I don't like it. I don't like my slime right now. I don't like it right now. Don't judge. Y'all, it's gonna be like good retarded and stuff. But it's gonna like, the more I play with it, the more better it helps it to like get stretchy and stuff. So like y'all see how like it just, when I pull it, it just go like that. But then when I get done, you see how slippery that is? You see how slippery that is? See, the more I keep playing with it, it get into the mixture. So what I do is put a little bit more detergent. If the other detergent don't work, it's tied. It's tied. Like, yeah, that's tied. Woo. 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 Y'all, this crap is not working. Kind of fun, it's working, but it's just like dripping. Like, you see how like stupid it is? Like, it feels stupid. And guys, it's like stupid and stuff, like soggy and jukety and stuff. But I'm gonna clean this mess up right here. I didn't make a mess, it's just a mess of the detergent. So like, what in the world is that? So I'm gonna keep playing with it and stuff and get it all mixed together. Like, yeah, this what y'all do. Y'all pull it and then do this with it. Like, do this. It's much faster. It's much faster how to get it dry. If y'all got slime, put some off in it, make it a little bit more stretchy. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm just putting everything in. I gotta be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, look, they're gonna mess it up again. So look, like I said, like that. And they get it more stretchier. It might change the color of it too. It changed the texture a lot. See, look how, it was like this. That's how thick it was at first. Because I had put it hard. Look how stretchy that is. Look how stretchy that is. Woo! Okay, I'll be right back. Gotta go use some lotion. Guys, I couldn't find a lotion, so I got this stuff. So let me put that in there, do a little few drops of some conditioner. My bad, guys. My cousin had called me. So back to what I was saying. Put some conditioner in it. I just put some in there, and it was like, it's like the texture is messed up. Like, it's stretchy and all, but then you can't do this with it. You can do it. It just gets too long. Yeah. Okay. Push it down. Then I just put the shampoo in it. You all Gucci. Y'all all set up. Y'all might want to poke it and stuff first, and then get to it and start playing with it like this, and then put a little bit more conditioner. It don't matter what conditioner it is. It just matters if it's just conditioner, y'all. Okay, it just gotta be conditioner or something. Okay, and then y'all know that now. See, it's sticky and stuff. That's how you make your slime sticky. If y'all don't like your slime sticky, give this video a bit.
if you don't like this video, give this video a thumbs down. But if y'all do, I might not like post the video of me dunking on the rim. So like, if y'all want to do that, y'all can go ahead. I'm fine with it because I got a couple people that gave my video a thumbs down. And I'm actually fine with it because that was the first time I got a thumbs down. So please turn me up. By the end of this year, by the end of this month, please have me to 100,000 likes on this video. Please like it up. Like it up. Put a little more off in it. I'll be right back. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, that smells even worse than the first time. Ooh. Jesus. That smells a lot worse. Hold on. Y'all be right back. Okay, I'm back. So guys, that's how you make your slime sticky, and use some off to get it not back sticky. Subscribe, give the video a like, comment down below what's your favorite part of the video, and hit that tiny bell so you don't miss out on no new videos. Peace. Woo!